this is not a real people's initiative. It may be a politician's initiative, or maybe a professor's initiative, kasi kailangan medyo professor of law ka rito para maintindihan mo yun. Oy, babalik na ako dun. Okay.
Pero pwede naman yung PBBM's initiative.
Well, in fairness to the President, kaya sinasabi ko nga rin, sana nga may solusyon ito without involving the President. Kasi in the amendment of the Constitution, wala talagang role dapat ang Presidente. But since this affects his administration, I mean, mag-involve na rin siya to put a political solution to this issue. Para bumalik na yung good relations ng House of Representatives and the Senate, as well as with the Office of the President. Para yung mga legislative priorities